I don't know. I'm beginning to get those nose hairs.
You don't have those hairs.
Yeah, you know?
No.
Yeah.
I don't want that.
You got some nose hairs.
I'll pluck them for you. No.
Do you have ear hair?
You probably have penis hair.
I have a penis. Oh yeah, because my voice is shaded, so I'm secretly a man.
I don't.
You got some nose hairs.
No.
Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here.
I'm looking.
Fatty McGee.